Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these earrings. So let's get started. The materials you'll be needing to make this earring are an acrylic faced bead. This is 14mm, 4 ring rubbers. I have orange, 2 teal ones, and 1 dark green one. I have 2 seed beads, 1 daisy spacer, a bodycon bead, which is 8x8mm, and I have the 7x5 oval shaped bead. I also have a earring hook and a head pin. The tools I'll be using are a bend nose plier, a round nose plier, and in case I need to cut some excess off of the head pin, I'll be using this flash cutter. Let's get started onto making this earring. The first thing I'm going to do is put my daisy spacer on so the big bead with a big hole won't fall off. Put the acrylic big bead. Now I'm going to put the seed beads. The seed beads are so in the middle it will just be empty. Next, I'm going to start putting in my 4 ring rubber. After this, I'm going to put in my bicon, then my oval shaped bead, and we're going to start making the loop. You want to bend it 90 degrees. And I'm going to take my round nose pliers to do this. And we're going to start just making a regular loop. It would look something like this. Next, I'm going to attach my earring hook. By doing that, I'm going to open the loop like a jump ring. And close it just how you opened it. It'll look something like this. There you have your earrings. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment down below if you have any suggestions on videos we could do on this channel, like beading or crafts, and subscribe to watch more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!